Welcome to Module 3 of the ZEPETO Creator course. Hello everybody, it's me Granny Gems. In this lesson, you'll learn how to navigate the ZEPETO home screen, understand each section of the app, and use the main features effectively. Knowing where everything is located will help you move quickly, create content faster, and begin building your creator workflow. The Home tab is your main dashboard and starting point every time you open ZEPETO. From here, you can access your profile, ZEPETO World, ZEPETO Live, and the shopping and clothing. You can also find the feed, studio tools, notification, and settings. The Home tab is designed to give you an overview of everything happening on your account, including updates, new events, recommended content, and platform announcements. Understanding the home screen makes it much easier to navigate the rest of the app. Next, let's explore the Worlds tab. This is where you can explore public 3D worlds, join games and activities, and visit brand environments. You can also take photos and videos, interact with other users, and test your avatar in different scenes. Worlds are essential for creators because they allow you to create content, record B-roll, meet new users, and gather inspiration for your own future world designs. As you progress in the course, you'll learn how to eventually build your own custom world using ZEPETO Studio. The Live tab is where all active live streams are displayed. Here, you can view live creators, discover trending streams, see upcoming events, join broadcasts, and start your own live streams. When you go live, your stream will appear here for users to find you. Understanding this section is important because your visibility, viewer count, and future tier growth depends heavily on how you appear on the live listing page. The feed section works like a mini social media platform within ZEPETO. You can post photos, upload short videos, and share updates about your avatar or projects. You can also view posts from friends, creators, and brands and leave likes and comments. This area helps you grow your community, engage with your audience, and showcase your personality outside of live streams. The shop is where you can browse and purchase avatar items including clothing, accessories, and hairstyles. You can also find animations, emotes, and special collections. This is also where your own items will appear if you become a ZEPETO shop creator. Understanding the shop layout is essential if you plan to design and sell clothing or accessories later in this course. Your profile is where you manage your identity on the platform. Here, you can edit your avatar, change bio information, view statistics, and access your wardrobe. In settings, you can adjust privacy controls, security options, language settings, notifications, and account preferences. Understanding your profile and settings ensure a smooth creator experience and keeps your account safe. You now know how to navigate the ZEPETO home screen with confidence. This foundation will make it much easier to create content, explore worlds, start live streams, and access all tools you need as a ZEPETO creator. In the next module, we'll focus on account safety and best practices to keep your creator profile secure.